This is actually a Utricularia, that of this rocky laterite rock plant communities, and so those little leaves are its leaves, and then in that this thing there is some, when the water logs, when water stays, then some microorganisms come, which this plant it has a kind of some bladder underneath where it traps those insects and then it consumes it. So it doesn't need much big leaves and all. And some of the flowers are much bigger. And these are some of the best ones what I've seen. These, the height and the coloration and everything. These few. And they are they live on these rocky outcrops, laterite rocky outcrops, very rare, endemic. They can't survive anywhere. They can't be saved in gardens because they're very difficult to, I mean, they maybe in the hands of expert gardeners they might be able to do something. Otherwise, for most people it's all but impossible to create this kind of conditions what it needs. Then also it needs high humidity and some light amount of water, and then lot of microorganisms should be there in that water so that it can get its food. You can't just grow it anywhere. Then I'm not sure whether it's two species or one, because this one is also there, similar looking. This one has, the flower colors are a bit different, it seems. Whereas this one is more light and smaller also. I think there are two species. This one, that lower petals are single color, whereas this one also it's the same thing. Maybe variation in the same species. Then this is one more rocky outcrop. And another nice thing about this is this one, I suspect it is that Blaixa. Whole bed of them, and then some of them are floating on top over there. They're detached from the base and then floating. That one. Then this is one particularly nice aquatic plant. It has that kind of attractive pinkish type of stems. Small red flowers are there. I covered that in one or two other videos also. And I think 2-3 of them species are there. This one. And it grows well in watery pots and all. It's little bit if you provide the right nutrients. Now for this that Utricularia needs this type of places, some kind of a moss, that algae with lot of air, carbon dioxide should be there, and then microorganisms will be there if this type of boggy situation is created. So then this is a partying place also. A lot of people party here, so everywhere beer bottles are there. They won't notice all these kind of plants. Very rarely people notice. The ant seems to be doing something with the Utricularia flower. Anyway, This one I already showed this a couple of times. This one I find it particularly attractive, the name and all I can't make out. This one is probably that Blake's only, though I'm getting confused, or maybe Eriocaulan. I think it's one of the Eriocaulan. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನೀರು ನಿಂತಿದೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಣುಕಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ Eriocaulan Utricularia, very lush and fat specimens, and then one more smaller Eriocaulan is there in large numbers. This is the one that I showed the babies over there. So some of them already emerged and flowered off also. Then this is another delightful little species. I liked it very much. Even these Eriocaulans look very attractive. So this is one water body. Some two species of Eriocaulan, and I think couple of species of that Rotola. Then that Blake's, and then I think one or two Utricularia, and one more that parasitic plant with the white flowers. All those are there. A couple of frogs are there. It's a very beautiful little water body. All beer bottles everywhere.